So let's take a look. This is to adjust the tightness. Screw it up. Like this one here. Just aim for the middle, right? We shall understand it as it's 12 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Just understand it. Just tune it like this. And what is this? This is when we use this host alone just now. It's for startup. Then normally you connect to this. If this is a set of pipe feeder, you will use these two buttons. This button is basically not used. Then it is only used in one situation. Wait a minute, we'll talk about it later. Okay, at this time, so let's run it because I fixed it just now, right? If you don't correct it, you can't press this button. If you press it and poke it, it will break this, right? So we have to fix it. After this alignment, we press start it, the light will turn green, and then this, it will always be there. Do it well. Okay, let's stop it first. Of course, this is a correction. Also, this stop button, well, at this time, we've tested it, proved that it is in transit. It's normal. Everything was normal. All right, so what's next? In the next step, I will tell you how to use it, right? So what's next? We take it apart again, take this pipe feeder aside. Why take the feeder aside? Because the feeder is a fool. What is it responsible for? Just intubate you and start this machine. So did he do a good job? He didn't care. The most important thing for us is to master this host technology first. So we're going to move this deep tubing machine aside. Let's take a look at the host then. The host is also a quick disassembly. It is convenient to clean after use. Clean up. All right. So let's reinstall it now. And let's actually measure it now. Let's add some of that to it. Add that mouth. Fool. We will use this instead. Let's test this. Well, after we power on at this time, for this host, there's a button. If this button is used, it is responsible for starting. Of course, it also has a material guide function. You press the death and don't let it go. You press and play once and it does work once. But if you press dead for 3 seconds, after 3 seconds, you don't move. It will enter the material guide mode. Okay, so I'll show you now. I hold it for 3 seconds before going into thermal mode. So at this point, the light stops here. The gate is closed. At this point, we add this material. Add it. You see, it's from thin. Sparse pairing. Let's hold this down and don't let it go. Let it vibrate. Fill it up first. Fill it in solidly. After tamping, we can let it go now. After letting it go, let's turn this down first. Preferably when this is first enabled, we turn it down. Then after we finish beaming this guide material, we also adjusted it to about 10 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock here. It's 11 o'clock here. It's our clock. The direction of the clock, maybe we'll adjust to this, 10 and 11 o'clock first. This depends on your own length and length. The time it takes varies. Okay, so let's test one then. Put this thing. All right, if you feel elastic at this time, degree satisfaction, that's it. If you're not satisfied, you move up. Be sure to pay attention when adjusting. Don't adjust too much at once. We are about an hour and a half. Change one, like this. This pipe is 2 bar. Okay, we will operate this alone, and that's basically it. Then at this time, we will hang up the hose again. Connect the back line. Right? If you just put, alright. So we're going to show you the whole thing. You must see this lamp. Well, this lamp first, we need to correct. Then I have this material in it, right? It's off. He is also a little thin, sparse. Let's use this import function. So the premise is that when using it, you must press and hold this to align this. After alignment, we will enable the import function again. Otherwise, if the needle is not aimed at it, it will poke here. Okay, let's hold it still for 3 seconds. You can see that it has been importing at this time. Okay? Now, when you're done, it reaches a certain density. It ends when you put your hand down. At this time, let's officially start. It's 5.5. You see, this substitute is still very full. Okay, there is no air control at this time. We're done.